I spent months trying to learn new skills, only to quit halfway, until I found one rule that made me learn 3x faster. Let me show you how. Every time I started something new, guitar, coding, fitness, I felt like a genius for 3 days. Then came the wall, that invisible wall that says, you're not improving, you're not talented enough. So I'd switch to something new and repeat the same story. I wasn't lazy, I was trapped by illusion. The illusion that progress is supposed to feel good all the time. But real growth? It's invisible before it becomes obvious. The truth is simple. Your brain craves evidence of success. If it can't see results, it says stop. But skill building doesn't work that way. In the beginning, progress hides, like roots growing under soil. You don't see the plant yet, but the foundation is forming. The problem? Most people quit before the roots appear. That's why they keep restarting. The fastest learners understand one thing: momentum beats motivation. And the key rule that builds it is called the one brick rule.
It's simple. Never focus on the wall. Focus on laying exactly one brick perfectly every day. Just one. Most learners fail because they chase a cloud. Get better at design, learn coding. Too vague. The brain can't aim at fog. Pick a single clear target. Example, build one simple website. Play one song perfectly. That clarity turns confusion into momentum. Because when you know your brick, you can finally start laying it. Set your rule. One brick every day, no matter how small. 10 minutes of practice still counts. You're not building speed, you're building consistency. Think of yourself as an engine, cold at first, slow to start, but once it's warm, unstoppable. That daily ritual becomes your ignition. Each brick teaches you something. Keep a skill journal. Write what worked, what didn't, what clicked. This rewires your brain to learn faster. You stop repeating mistakes and start adapting consciously. That's not just learning, that's acceleration. Surround yourself with the world of that skill. Watch it, talk about it, teach it. Make your environment breathe it. Immersion turns skill into identity. You're not trying to learn, you are the learner. And that identity keeps the engine running. Day by day, the wall rises, brick by brick. Suddenly, the invisible becomes visible. People ask, when did you get so good? But you know the truth. You just never stopped showing up. Every skill in your life, language, fitness, business, creativity, follows the same law. You don't need more talent, you need traction. Momentum is your currency. The one brick rule turns that currency into mastery. So don't wait for motivation. Build your wall, one brick at a time. Today's brick. Pick one skill. Write down your first brick. Do it. Comment what your brick is below, and let's build together. Because while everyone else is waiting to feel ready, we're already building.